Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Monday, the 19th of December, and what is day 7 of the May Paper Co. 2022 Advent Calendar unboxing. Okay, let's see what we've got today. Alright, so this one is smaller than the insert envelopes I've been getting. It's really thick, slightly squishy, but not completely. Let's see. I don't know, it might be a notebook, maybe an A6 notebook. Oh, I've been so good with these stickers lately, and I think I'm gonna miss it with this one. Okay, kind of salvaged. Oh, this is new. Okay, so I was right, it's an A6 notebook. It says noted, and again with the italic detail in the middle. I love these little, just these little hints of design brilliance. I just love it. So it's either idea, list, reminder, message, or other. It's got the tiny note, grid spacing. Let me see. I've got my ruler out. Let's take a look. So it's about 3.5 millimeter. Yeah, so it's a 3.5 millimeter grid, which is tiny, but still really useful because you can still write on 2 lines, and that's going to give you a 7 mil line space, but you can also draw on it. And I like that she's downsized the grid to match the, kind of like to fit better on the actual page itself. But if I pull out, so this was the sticky notes that we got the other day. I can't remember which day it was. The grid note, actually, is the grid the same there? Didn't measure it the other day, did I? So that's 3 exactly. So it's slightly smaller here. So she's basically scaling the grid to kind of match the size of the insert or the sticky note or the note paper or whatever it is. Just to make sure that it's in proportion, which I think is really thoughtful. Really love that. Okay, that's day 7. Don't forget to join me tomorrow for day 8. We've got more daily videos coming up all the way through to the 25th. I've put up a poll on my community page so you can let me know how you'd like the roundup to happen, whether it's in an extended video on the 25th, so Christmas Day, or whether you'd like a bonus, we'll call it episode, on Boxing Day, which is our 26th of December. Let me know, go to the poll, let me know what you think. Anyway, what are you thinking so far about all of this? Because normally, mystery boxes and stuff, I don't normally find a lot of things that I would find useful or actually end up using. They always end up hoarded in the 3rd drawer of my drawers. What do you think? So far, I'm finding a lot of good stuff in here, and it's definitely going to come out in next year's setup. If I could just make a decision between personal and personal wide, that is. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell and do all the things on your way out. Have a good day. Stay safe. I'll see you later. Bye.